So dear student, I am going to start the lesson Ealing Planet. First of all, you should write down some meanings of the new words. Okay. So first paragraph, first line, gripped. Gripped means to hold. Next is rapidly. Rapidly means quickly or fastly. Then in the next paragraph, irrevocably means cannot go back. Then holistic. Holistic means pure. Then in the next paragraph, ethical. Ethical means moral. Okay. Then sustainable. Sustainable means that can be hold or that is proper. And next, Lusaka. This is the name of a place in Zambia. Okay. Next is domination. Domination means to control something. Now we are coming to the next, catalog. Catalog means made a list or to make the categories. And next is ignominious, means that is living in ignored way, means that has been ignored or unknown. And then is impaired. Impaired means disable. Collapse. Collapse means to fall down. And then disseminated means destroy. Decimated means destroy. And then precede means came first or came ahead. And then next page, anguish. Anguish means pain. Abolished. Abolished means to remove or to disappear. And then we are coming to the next page. Yes, so these are the word meaning. Now I am going to start the lesson Ealing Planet. So this lesson is written by Nani Palkiwala, and basically he was a lawyer as well as the so dear student, the Ealing Planet is written by Nani Palkiwala. Actually he was the jurist and economist, and he wrote this article for a newspaper, and he just wanted to draw the attention of the people for our earth. And this lesson is not for you just to cram the answer to question and just to write in the examination to get the marks. Actually the writer's purpose is that you should also fulfill your duty as a citizen. You should also contribute something for the betterment of the earth, because day by day the condition of the earth is going bad to worst. So this is your first duty, that as a citizen of India you should contribute for the good environment or healthy environments. That's why in this article he, or in this essay, he has told us about the problem of the Ealing Planet and who is responsible for this, and what is our first duty for the good health of the planet. So the writer has told us that this was for the first time in 1972 that the green movement was started, means one thought was given just for the safety of the environment. And though New Zealand was the small country, but still for the first time in the world this thought was given that everyone has to pay attention for the good environment, or we human beings would be not able to live on this earth, because the earth has become sick. It is not fit for living, and basically we human beings are responsible. So this thought of the betterment of the planet was developed or came in the mind of the people of the New Zealand first, and then after that it inspired the attention of all the people. And in the second paragraph, in those days people were only thinking about the mechanism or the industries, because the industrial revolution was going on. So when the people have started to think about the betterment of the earth, this was a very pure thought, and this was the duty of the human beings, and this was a very catchy catchy idea for the people, and this was a new idea for the people. It was just like the idea of Copernicus, who told the people in 16th century that the earth revolves around the sun. This was a new thing for the people. Before this, people were not aware that planets revolves around the sun. But Copernicus told this reality or this truth to the people. In the same way, when this thought of the safety or safeguard of the earth came in the mind of the people, this was also inspiring the people, and this was also catching the attention of the people. And